In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a video on Vimeo. Whether you're looking to share a cherished moment or promote your latest work, embedding a video can be a handy skill to have. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you get it right without any hassle. First things first, you'll need to visit Vimeo at vimeo.com. Once there, go ahead and log into your account. This step is crucial because only then will you have full access to the features that Vimeo provides, including the ability to obtain embed codes for videos. Next, navigate to the specific video you wish to embed. This is where a little planning comes in. Make sure you've already uploaded the video in question, or that you have permission to embed someone else's work. It's important to respect copyrights and permissions for all video content. Once you've located your video, direct your attention to the share button. It's commonly found in the top right corner of the video screen. Clicking this button is your gateway to various sharing options, so this step is vital for accessing the embed feature. Upon clicking share, a pop-up will appear presenting you with a range of sharing methods. Pay attention to this interface because what you're looking for is the embed section. It contains the embed code you will need. Understanding this small block of code is crucial, as it's essentially a snippet that allows you to present your video seamlessly on your website or blog. Now you'll see the embed code section staring right at you. Simply click on the word copy, often conveniently located next to the embed code. By doing this, you instantly save and prepare the code for transport to its new home on your digital platform. With your code copied, the last step is all about finding the right spot on your website or blog. Open the HTML editor where you want the video to appear. Carefully paste the embed code into the desired section of your site's HTML. Be sure that the spot you choose complements the layout and design of your page. This consideration helps maintain a professional and cohesive appearance throughout your digital space. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have successfully embedded your video on Vimeo. Remember, embedding videos is not just about technical skill, it's about how you integrate dynamic content into your online presence, enhancing the user experience for anyone visiting your site. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at it. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time for more tips and tricks in the digital world.